Now I'm going to take up the third exercise of your quadratic equation. In the third exercise also you have to find the roots of the equation. I cannot find the roots of the equation by factorization method because factors cannot be formed. In that case, you have to solve the given quadratic equation by using the Sridhar-Acharya formula. And the formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now this is Sridhar-Acharya formula. You are going to substitute the value of a, b, c in this and find the value of x, which is the roots of the equation. Now how to find the value of a, b, c? In that case, you have to write a statement. Now I am using this formula in one of the equation, which is that the equation is x square minus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now you have to solve this using formula correct to 2 decimal places. Now the question is this. Now from this equation you are going to find the value of a, b and c. For that you have to write a statement comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now this is the general formula for the quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And you are going to compare your given equation with this general formula. And if I compare it, you see the coefficient of x square will be the value of a, which is 1. And the coefficient of x will be the value of b. Your equation is plus b. But in the equation it is given minus 3. So you have to take this minus sign also. So b will be equal to minus 3. And the value of c, if you compare, will be minus 9. Now these are the values of a, b, c, which you are going to substitute in the Sridhar-Acharya formula. And when you are going to substitute these values in the Sridhar-Acharya formula, your equation will be like this. X is equal to, first you have to show the substitution of ABC. X is equal to minus, value of B is minus 3, then plus minus under root, B square will be minus 3 square, minus 4, A is 1, and C is minus 9, divided by 2A, that is 2 into value of A is 1. So I have substituted the values of A, B, C in the Sridhar-Acharya formula. And now your question will be x is equal to plus 3 plus minus under root. Now b square will be 9 minus 4ac. So it will become minus 4 into 1 into minus 9. So minus 1 minus and minus 9 will become plus. 4 into 1 into 9 will be 36. 9 fours are 36. It will be minus minus will become plus 3 plus minus under root this upon 2. Now this will become x is equal to 3 plus minus. After adding it will become under root 45 upon 2. Now how to solve it further? You have to now find the value of square root 45. Now you know square root 45 is not a perfect square. So you are going to see its value from the square root table. At the end of your book you have a page of square root table. You are going to look into your book. At the end you have got a table of trigonometric ratios also, as well as the square root also, from 1 to 10. From square root table is from 1 to 100, that you can see it in your books. Now you are going to see in the first column, come down vertically, see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, come down vertically like this and stop at 45 number, whose square root you have to find. Stop at 45, then come to the second column. Come to the second column and you will find there 0 written. You will find 0 written over there. So whatever will be the value of 45 at 0 column, that will give you the value of square root 45. And if you see it, it comes out to be 3. Your question is 3 plus minus value of square root 45. You will find it to be in 3 digits. Put that digit over here. And you have to find it till 3 places. And it will be given till 3 places in the table. Note down all the 3 values. Value of square root 45 upon, and in the book which I am using, it has shown it till 2 places. But you are going to write it till 3 places as given in your square root table. Note down the complete value. But the book which I am having is showing the value till 2 places upon 2. So this is the value of square root table given till 2 places. Now you see that the quadratic equation has got 2 values of x. From the very beginning I am using plus minus sign together. Now you are going to break up and the value of x will be 3 plus 6.71 upon 2, and the other time take it as 3 minus 6.71 upon 2. So plus minus you are going to break it. And when you add, you get 9.71 upon 2. And when you subtract, you get as minus 3.71 upon 2. Divided by 2, you are going to get it as 4.85. And the other time you are going to, the second value you are going to get it as minus 1.85. So these are the roots of the equation which is given to you as x square minus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0 till two decimal places. If the question says find it at two decimal places, you have to find it at two decimal places. Otherwise, but as I am telling you, in your square root table, you are going to write out the complete three places. Here also you will have three places. At the end, you are going to round it off till two places. Now, in case if you get the question as find the answer correct to two significant figures, as the board may ask like this also, in that case you have to write your answer till two figures. Now here in this you see there are three figures. So in order to write it in two figures, you are going to remove the third figure, and if the third figure is having the digit 5 or above that, you increase the preceding digit. So it will become 4.9. And the other value will become 1 minus 1.9. This will be your answer if the question asks you to find the answer till two figures. If you are not going to change it till two figures, then your marks may be cut in the exam. So this is how you are going to do the complete exercise 5.3 based on the Sridhar Acharya formula. And do all the questions in that exercise. And when we'll meet, I'll be asking your problems.